Chris famously said the lead character of World of Warcraft is the world, and I always believed that. So you're trying to create this place that's exciting and dangerous, but comfortable, but uncomfortable, and gorgeous, and it should feel massive, and it really is. It's can take a half an hour to get from one end of the world to the other. Um, but it's this world you're living in. The world is divided into two warring factions. There's the Horde and the Alliance. And that was a very important, very controversial decision that was made by Alan Adham, was the champion of the Horde and Alliance.
And that in the early days, there was a really strong division.
Strong division.
Like,
yeah.
You pick a side and then you hang around with only people of your kind.
Yeah, and you get it tattooed in real life on you. Like the amount of people who walk up to me and show me their Horde tattoo, like
That's
it's
awesome.
epic. It's like it's become who they are. Like if you were to say, like, hey Lex, come play World of Warcraft with me. We're Alliance on Tichondrius. You'd be like, dude,
lose
Alliance.
My number.
Like, okay, I don't think we can be friends anymore. But the Horde Alliance decision was really controversial because in EverQuest it was mixed race. They had all the races kind of like WoW did, but they could all group with each other. And Pardo and I came from EverQuest, where we felt like this was a horrible decision Alan was making. And we argued. Alan, Rob, Bob Fitch, and I would have lunch every single day. And we would just talk about WoW and the core design of WoW. Rob wasn't even on WoW at that time. He was finishing Warcraft 3. And we would fight over the Horde Alliance split if it was a good idea or not. And Alan he came from more of the Dark Age of Camelot community, which was another massively multiplayer online game that was more PvP based. And he said the magic of that game was they had 3 factions, and he liked the fact that you were instantly on a team. You weren't a loner in the world. And whether you liked it or not, you had people on your side. And Rob and I just argued and argued against it. And then sometime before beta, Alan retired. He went on to run a hedge fund, of all things, like got super into poker, got super into finance, left, and retires like, I think it was 9 months to a year before WoW shipped, which is kind of nuts. And Rob takes over as lead designer in Alan's stead. And to Rob's credit, the first thing he did was go, speaking to what we were speaking about earlier, he said, Alan's a smart guy. The fact that he was fighting so hard for Horde Alliance, we got to do it. And Rob and I sort of changed our point of view and got on board with Horde Alliance and went all in.